Fuck you, boy. Yeah, bitch.
Nah, pick it up. Pick it the fuck up.
Where am I putting them?
Just pick it up and put it in the thing. Or
Shut up, slut.
Alright, knock on the door and run. Knock on the door. Knock on the door. Wait. Put your camera out.
Thank you.
I got it on live too, you stupid ass bitch. Stupid ass cornball. Bitch, you look like a crawfish, bitch. Move out. He don't know the fuck you are. He might shoot your ass. Damn, did you knock? Bro, somebody stop giving that gay ass knock. Not gonna do it. Damn, not the police, stupid ass boy. Where the fuck is my brother at? Oh, there you go. Look. Oh. Open the door, boy. Go knock on the door. I just seen him peek out the window, his stupid ass. Knock on the door. Tell him to open the damn door. Damn, he fuck up surprises every time. I don't talk to my friends like shit. This is how we talk, stupid.
Shut the fuck up with your slow ass.
See, look. VJ, open the door. My brother probably grabbing a strap or a machete. What is he doing? What is my... Open the door, BJ. That's your car. Oh, love you. Now we're going to drive it to Grandma's because we got to go and see Grandma real quick and then we're coming back here to stay. But, yep, that's your car. Go look at it. Okay. Oh, Swisher sweet body head ass. It smelled like weed, but that's besides the point. I was...
We have to get here somehow. We have to fly.
Yep.
And you know the only way you
Pop the trunk. That's yours.